Yeah. Boo. Yeah. What's up with it? It's your boy Boo Yay coming to you live and direct on my day off. Look, inside my mind I try to picture a city with the means to leave behind all the things that seem like dreams with quick schemes of getting richer. For the benefit of what? They don't know cause they too busy living, playing catch up. And you wonder why these kids is grown to bring the past up. As a child asking questions they told you to shut up. So you make some bad decisions that would have you locked up. And you gotta change your ways and put away your bob gun. In a constant war, battling your mind from lies that hide the pain. No games, we've been enslaved by sin. Don't live in vain. Pac said we need a change. To be honest, I agree. That's the reason I encourage the youth to get degrees. The reason I encourage the youth to try to leave, be all that you can be. There's so much you haven't seen. It's more to life than just sitting in jail trying to get a plea. Reminisce about my time in the streets. I'm daydreaming like, damn, no time's changing this shit, man. I know I battle through my own shit, man. Got my own shit going on in my mind, though. It's a trip, though. It's like we trapped in a section, waiting for progression in the world that's full of greed. Without money, get your discretion. Fear of helping those who are around, so you ain't reaching out. How we supposed to better ourselves and we ain't cleaning house? Food for thought. Only the wise will learn to listen. Maybe you should baptize yourself after your prison. I'm trying to make the decision, making the transition to making the right decision. But real cause I was wrong. Spitting real in every song, freestyling, straight wildin', you know, profiling. I'm at work doing loss prevention, and I ain't tripping, man. Catch 'em all is my intention. For real, I always catch 'em because I was the biggest thief when I was growing up as a youth. A real nigga ask about me, that's real talk, and you can see it, it's a real walk. Now I don't care, man, it's freestyling like damn. Almost failed, you know, I try to run that shit through real quick, but fuck it, man. Sitting at home, this is what I do, you know. The poor's getting poor, the rich getting richer. I ain't even tripping, man, not drinking liquor. The rich getting richer, poor's getting poor, poor's getting poor. Look, I said poor's getting richer, poor's getting poor. I'm trying to shine to feed millions just to even up the score. Like a dope fiend, I'm trying to hustle up for more. I gotta keep my faith so I don't worry about the dough. Call me Mr. Robin, your hood, I'm spreading the wealth. Can't nobody hold me back, especially the hand I was dealt. Hip hop was who made me this way, and still to this day. Run DMC, walking this way, I'm hearing it play. Vaguely in the back of my mind, real hip, recognized, real hop, and I ain't dropping the mic. A wise man once said to me, if you want it that bad, show them you hungry, hope they save you a seat. And if they don't cry, dry your eyes and man up. And I told them I ain't tripping, I can eat and stand up. Yaka, that was time for me to man up. Got my own place, got my own job. Now I'm on my grind. Still, man, my wife is still gone cause we fight. But hopefully I just can try to make it better. Maybe I should write another love letter. Huh? Fuck it.